2025 is officially the comeback year for IPOs. After a long freeze, companies like Chime, Figma, and CoreWeave have already gone public. So the question now is, who's next? Crunchbase's predictive intelligence just dropped 14 venture-backed names, likely heading to the public markets soon, from fintech giants to AI powerhouses. Let's start with fintech. Stripe remains the most anticipated IPO on the planet. It processed over $1.4 trillion in payments last year and hit a $91.5 billion valuation. But it's still holding off, offering liquidity through private sales instead. Right behind it, Airwallex is on track for $1 billion in revenue this year, with 150,000 customers and a valuation north of $6 billion, a serious global challenger to Stripe. In AI and enterprise tech, Databricks is the star to watch. With a $3 billion run rate and a $62 billion valuation, it's one of the world's most valuable private AI firms. Cerebras Systems, the chip maker behind 10x faster AI training processors, is also nearing a market debut. Cybersecurity is heating up too. Ledger, protecting 20% of the world's crypto assets, and 1Password, profitable with over 150,000 customers, both look ready for Wall Street. Even consumer brands are joining the action. Skims, Quince, and Madison Reed are turning strong brand loyalty into serious IPO buzz. And don't overlook Sierra Space with $3.4 billion in NASA contracts and its Dream Chaser spaceplane, making it one of the most exciting IPO prospects in space tech. The 2025 IPO wave isn't just back, it's diverse, global, and AI-driven. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which company you think will go public first. And don't miss the related video in the corner. See how AI is reshaping entire industries.